I need your help. I'm trying to decide the future of my channel, and this is something that's been in the back of my head for a few months now, and it's just getting more and more real. So please stay with this video and let me know in the comments what you think I should do, and I will assess the situation and let me tell you more about what's happening and why I'm thinking I need to split my channel. If you've been a long-time subscriber, you know that all of my videos I make in English and Spanish. And now this happened from the very beginning. I had made 1 or 2 videos, I can't remember, only in English. And most of my family is in Costa Rica. And I got a message from my cousin telling me that my aunt and uncle were watching one of my videos. And they were laughing, they were enjoying it, they were having a great time. But they said, "I wish we could understand what he's saying." So after that, I started making every video in English, and then I would re-record it in Spanish, not a voiceover. I would make the whole video again. But now I got people from all over the world watching my videos in Spanish. I have people that comment from Spain, from Venezuela, from Argentina, from Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Mexico. I get comments from all over in Spanish, so it's not something I want to stop. And I wasn't thinking about stopping, but what I'm thinking I might have to do, and this is where I need your help, is I might have to split my channel and make 2 channels. One for English, one for Spanish. In the meantime, I will still be doing everything to this channel. But first, let me ask you guys something. When you go to my channel, to my page, is it confusing? Do you get confused at all with English and Spanish? For the longest time, I've been uploading videos, Spanish video first, and then 15 minutes later, my English video comes out public. And what this does is that it keeps an order. So there's English, Spanish, and you'll see the same thumbnails. Where I'm noticing a problem is that for the last 4 or 5 videos, within the first 2 minutes of the Spanish video coming out, I lose a subscriber. If I have notifications enabled on my phone, I open the video and all of a sudden I'm like, "Oh, buenos días, aquí estamos una vez más con Charlie Wollertz Photography." I probably would unsubscribe. If I didn't sign up for Spanish and all of a sudden here I am speaking Spanish, or listening to a video in Spanish and not really knowing what's going on, then that would kind of confuse me. There's another issue in the homepage, and YouTube gives you the option to do a video as a welcome message for anybody that's new to your channel. I can only do that in one language. I can't do, like, push number 2 for Spanish. It has to be one or the other. One of the main things with YouTube is retention time. How long are you watching my videos? Now, if you click on one of my videos and it's the wrong language, you're only gonna watch 10 seconds, then you might go to the next one. That's hurting that particular video because now YouTube thinks people are not interested and it's not gonna show it to other people. So from that perspective, it could be hurting my channel. I don't know if you guys have that where you click on a video and it comes out in Spanish instead of English, or vice versa. So that's something I want to know. Is it confusing having the thumbnails be similar, even though the thumbnails are English or Spanish? If this is hurting my retention time, then that's gonna hurt the long-term performance of the videos. And as a business, that's not really something I want. Another thing that's very interesting that I just recently started doing my analytics is the RPM. And this is how YouTube or the AdSense pays you. So right now, I make, in my English videos, I make them about $9 per every 1,000 views. In Spanish, that is down to $3. And there's something to do with the ads. When you do Spanish-speaking countries, they're usually not wealthy countries, so the ads are less, which means they pay less. So that's why I get paid 1/3 in Spanish videos as opposed to the English videos. And I don't know if that has to do with the performance of the video or just because of where they're aired. I don't know, but that's something else to take into account, because that also hurts the channel when your numbers are not high all across the board. This also comes into effect the retention or the RPMs or the channel performance in the future when I have sponsors, or once I start getting more sponsors, because nobody wants to sponsor a channel where the numbers are low. So now by having 2 channels, I could have completely different sponsors for each one, instead of someone that's not really interested in advertising here, or this one's not interested in advertising here. So that would break it up and have two separate channels when it comes to sponsorships. I know that's probably a few years away, but it's something that I need to think about as a business. Now, there is a lot more, and this YouTube business is very complicated. There's a lot of steps, there's a lot of things, but I don't want to bore you with the details. So this is where I'm asking you, should I break it up? Are you guys confused? Is my channel page easy to navigate? What do you think? I need to know from you guys, because you are the viewers. You've subscribed, you stayed, you watch my videos. So if it's confusing, if it's easy, I want to simplify the process and make it as easy as I can for everybody. If I was to break up the channel, or break it up into two, it would be about a 5-month process where I move one video a day. I would have to move one, delete it, because you cannot have two channels with the same videos. So I'd have to do one at a time. So this would take quite a while, and I wouldn't want to stop or change the channel as it's doing now, because I want to keep that chronological. And well, the main reason is because some of those first videos were, quite frankly, not very good. But I keep them there because it shows progress. It shows how much of where I was to where I am now, and how much more I know I can do. And just by remembering where I came from, I could really see where I'm gonna go. The same thing with photography. If I look at the pictures I took 10 years ago, even last year, I hope I can improve every year, and that is something that I want to show, not only in my photography and my videography, but also throughout my channel. So with that, please let me know what you think I should do. If I need to start another channel, and now I need a name for that channel too. So let me know if you have any ideas. I have been introducing that channel as Wollertz Photography, so it has to be something similar. Wollertz Photography in Espanol, or I don't know. You guys tell me, please. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to listen to all the issues I'm having now, because I wanted my aunt and uncle to understand what I was saying. But thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.